What does hear mean? How to use hear in a sentence? Okay, let's see, what does to hear mean? You know, there are different kinds of sounds around us. So, when there is a certain sound around you, what do? You hear that sound from your ear. The sound enters your ear, so you hear it. That's what it means, to hear the sound of anything. For example, I can hear the dogs barking outside. I heard this strange sound yesterday. I think I can't hear anything, which means my ears aren't able to recognize the sound. Do you hear it? When there is this continuous sound, you'll say, I'm hearing it. Are you hearing it? To confirm the other person, to make sure that that person is also hearing it. Another way of using hear is to receive information from someone. For example, I heard that she got fired. I heard that she isn't doing that well. It's the news and you hear it from someone else. That's it. Also, I'm hearing a lot lately about something. I mean, you are hearing the same news daily for a while on TV, just like that. And now, let's see, what does to listen mean? How do we use listen in a sentence? To listen is to focus your attention on something. When someone is telling you something, you pay attention to them. You listen to them. Another meaning is to follow advice. When someone says you aren't listening to them, that means you aren't following their advice. You aren't doing what they have told you to do. For example, what are you listening to? Let's listen to some music. I don't listen to my parents. That's why I get in trouble often. My kids do not listen to me. Just like this.